MCEN 1131 Engineering Mechanics Statics Introduction prepared by Mirko Dumanovic. Hi, my name is Mirko Dumanovic and I will be your instructor for MCEN 1131 Statics. Studying is a process that requires two inputs. I'm responsible for one, namely the delivery of course materials and the necessary information. You as students are responsible for the other. Our mutual goal is for you to attain the knowledge and skills necessary for the career that awaits you in the near future. Without exaggerating, statics may be one of the most difficult and even the most important subject in the entire program. You can think about the link between statics and other subjects as a choo-choo train. Mathematics is the locomotive. Without understanding math, our mission is simply impossible. The first car of the train is statics. The knowledge and skills you gain here will help you overcome the more difficult subject matter in the course Strength of Materials. Without an understanding of strength of materials, it is unlikely that you will truly grasp design of machine elements and machine design. Naturally, the final car in our metaphorical train, not displayed in this illustration, is your career, which I sincerely hope from the bottom of my heart will be long and successful. Course description. Statics is the foundation of the study of mechanics. Statics concerns the equilibrium of non-accelerating rigid bodies, stationary, and the action of the balanced forces acting upon them. Engineering components and structural members, such as frames and trusses, will be studied. In addition, two fixed supported beams and single fixed supported cantilever beams will also be studied. Vector analysis will be studied by facilitating mathematical approaches. Recall the definition of equilibrium, a state of rest or balance due to the equal action of opposing forces. This course will cover several topics, including force analysis, concurrent and non-concurrent in two settings with a heavy emphasis on moments and their effects on rigid bodies. It will also cover linear friction and belt friction, and theoretical concepts that will couple with actual engineering cases to establish the resulting moments in order to start the product realization process. Static analysis is the first solid step in the design process of a product to be manufactured or assembled. The textbook that will be used throughout this course is the 8th edition of the Applied Mechanics for Engineering Technology book by Kenneth Walker. You're free to use statics books by other authors, but please note that this is also the primary book used in the Dynamics course, Mechanic 2. In order to delve further into the course, it is important to remind ourselves of several important rules of mathematics and in particular trigonometry. In both statics, engineering, and real life, we will face problems that need to be solved. Our approach to and the first step we take in solving them is always important. If our approach to the problem is not correct, we cannot expect to resolve it. Think about everyday problems, such as mounting a horse. Is there a right way or a wrong way of doing so? In our next lesson, we will review and renew some concepts that you would have covered in high school. See you there.